Okay. In yesterday's class, we had a discussion on couple of things, right? Hierarchy of each section, how we are working in a real time, dragging and dropping activities, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So team, today I'll give you the Tosca installation, all this stuff with related information. You can start installation of Tricentis Tosca today itself onwards. I think I already given those configuration. To do the Tosca installation, these all are the prerequisites we need. Around Tosca is supporting only Windows 10 and 11 systems only. And minimum 8 GB RAM is required. If you have only 4 GB of RAM in your laptop, you can increase up to 8 GB. So this is a processor. Except this processor, if you have any other processors, that is also fine. So any one hard disk or SSD is also fine. So the network speed is 100 Mbps. Okay. So this is all the installation requirements team. I'll share you this installation requirements to the management. They'll share details with you. Okay. So let me show you that installation document. Hope my screen is visible for everyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the installation document teams. You have to take this document as a document review document. So based on this, you have to follow all the test steps. What are the steps I defined here? Okay. So earlier we are giving only 15th version access only team, but currently we are sharing the 16th version. So you will get a 16th version mail like this. Open this 16th version of mail, what are the mail you received from the management. So you can click on open, then click on download. So once you download this file, the minimum space, this one is occupying around 1.4 GB of space in our laptop team. So it takes some time to do the download activity based on network speed. Okay. If your network speed is very high, then it do a downloading activity within a 5 minutes. If your network speed is very slow, then it takes more than that time as well. Also. So this is what the time limit. So you have to wait until this option comes to here. Okay. So once that installation is done, we are able to see this open file team. Once you are seeing this open file, so go to the download point. So in your laptop, go to your download sections and click on that particular file, run as administrator. Always execute this installer file in the run as administrator mode itself only. Okay, so don't double click, don't do installation directly. At the time of doing installation, always run the script into a run as administrator mode. Okay, next. So at the time of running in administrator mode, it asks you like this. So you have to do a click operation on S. Once you do a click operation on S, this is the manual installation steps. So this is the Tricentis Tosca and hardly it takes 10 minutes of time to do this setup everything. So I just highlighted everything. What are the steps you are going to follow at the time of doing an installation? This is the checkbox. Click on this checkbox, I agree checkbox and click on continue. Once you do a click on continue, this is the prerequisite screenshot. So you're able to see these options, Tosca Commander, and just select here a Tosca Commander, then click on next. So based on the Windows category, if you're using a Windows 10 or Windows 11 or Windows 8, so Tosca required these prerequisitions to do the installation part. If these files are not available in your laptop, so directly Tosca asks you to do the installation of this. But no need to do a separate installation tip. Directly these files is added. So directly click on next. Okay. So this is what, just select Tosca Commander, click on next. And here, these all are the manual testing. This is the Tricentis Tosca directory location tip. So see here, this is the installation location. See programming files 86 Tricentis and Tosca test suite. And this is Tosca projects. And here is a Tosca common application data path. This is the location. The Tosca default picks this particular location. If you want to modify this location as per your laptop configurations, yes, you can do that. Then click on next. After that, again click on next. So here it is a very careful team. Don't select enable, don't select this enable the Tricentis update service feature checkbox. Here one checkbox is there. Don't select this checkbox. Okay. So if selected and uncheck that particular checkbox. If in case if this checkbox is selected, uncheck this one and then do click operation on next. Make sure at this point. Next. So click on enable checkbox, that is a data integrity. See here, this is a data integrity. Using this data integrity feature, we do a big data testing, we do a ETL testing, we do Snowflake testing. All these testings is done here. So this is also part of installation only. If you want to add this feature as a part of installation, you can enable this particular checkbox or select this particular checkbox and then click on next. After that, so here install Tricentis Vision AI engine. This is the artificial intelligence engine. Just select this checkbox and then click on next. So after click on next team, now we are in a installation package. So this is the package. Click on install. So bottom of the screen, one button is there, install button. Just do a click on install button. Once you do a click operation install button tip, it is doing the installation. So the installation dialog will follow the installation progress. So this is the progress icon representation tip. Green color tick mark means it is a successful installation. And if you're getting any this cross icon representation, that is an unsuccessful installation of particular component. If you see here, the Tosca is doing an installation of each component by component like this. Okay. Until you have to wait, all the components are reflected into a green color tick mark. Once it is reflected like this, then click on finish. If you do a click operation and finish, that means you successfully completed installation of Tricentis Tosca. After completion of installation, so go to your Windows search and enter here a Tosca commander. If you done the installation properly, definitely you all are able to see this Tosca commander app. Okay. If you open this app, at the time of opening this app, Tosca default, it cross-check the license activation. So here you can see that information. Starting Tosca commander. See, it is checking a license found. In my system, I do have a license, that is the license. It is showing as a license found. But your case team, you don't have license, right? So if you don't have any license, directly it navigates to the license page. Once that is navigate to the license page, do one thing. Connect with the management backend team, directly management people back. So they'll activate license for you. At the time of activating a license for you, before connecting to the management, you do have used this platform to connect remote desktop. So you can install this and download any disk application in your laptop. After installation of this one, you know the installation process, download process, all these stuffs I mentioned here very clearly. So after installation, you open any disk application in your laptop. So you are able to see this 9-digit number. Okay. What are the 9-digit number you are able to see in your laptop any days? Just share that 9-digit number to management. Okay. They connect with you remotely. Once they connect remotely, so they directly access your laptop, they'll activate the license for you and they'll create a project for you. Then you can start working on Tosca point of view. Clear up to here?
Yes.
Yes.
So try to complete this installations part today, team. Okay. So once that installation, everything is done, your first task is here. What is your first task?
1 second, Anusha. A small doubt.
Yeah.
Like I have like i3 4 is there. It will be slow or it won't work actually. i3 and 4 GB RAM is there.
Recommended is 8 GB RAM, Sharath.
Okay.
4 GB means what happened now? So if you're working in Tosca, sometimes unexpectedly it close the Tosca. Even the performance of this Tosca also very slow.
Okay.
i3 processor is fine, but increase up to 8 GB RAM.
Sure. Thank you.
That is fine. Any other questions?
Anusha, like, can we connect at evening time as well, right? At 6 p.m., 7 p.m. to management.
Yes, at any time up to evening 8 p.m. Okay. Before 8 p.m., you can connect at any point of time to them and they'll suggest you the process. You have to follow that process and they'll connect with you. They'll activate the license for you. Okay. If we done this activity today itself, na, so tomorrow onwards, we'll go with the completely practical sessions. Okay. If you get a basic understanding of test case development Tosca point of, so then we go with the further discussion of a few more in-depth concepts.
Okay.
Okay. So once you done a installation of Tricentis Tosca in your laptops, the first activity is here, create a project. You have to create a project from your side. Default, they'll create a project for you, but you have to create a project from your side. Once that project is created, so just see this hierarchy. What are the hierarchy I explained to you yesterday? Module section hierarchy, test case section hierarchy, and execution section hierarchy. So understand this hierarchy and drag and drop activity. So based on that, so after understanding of these things, this will help you at the time of doing the practical sessions from your side. Okay. I'll share this document as well to you on a daily basis. No need to worry about this document. What are the document I'm preparing here? So once you get the installation done, so you have your first task is here, creation of project. Once you create the project, so as per the demo session, I explained one example to you, right? If you want to go with that example, you can try that example your side. Otherwise, try to understand the phases hierarchies. Understand the each phase hierarchy. Each phase hierarchy you have to understand clearly.
Anusha,
Yes.
do you have any sample application to test like that, like to scan, which you have shown yesterday?
Yes, we do have a number of sample applications. I'll give you a your store application. You can try on this, okay?
Yeah, sure.
I'm just sharing this particular link in a chat window. Just take a copy from your side. Once that batch is confirmed, team, so they'll add you people to the WhatsApp group. So what are the information I'm sharing? So you'll get that information from group itself, okay? No need to worry about that. But as of now, you can take this URL from your side. Once that installation is done, you have to start working on this activity.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions, Tim? Try to complete this activity, teams, and tomorrow I'll tell you the multi-user activities. So what are the activities we are doing here? So if you're working is a multi-user environment, what are the prerequisites we do follow? So I'll explain all these activities, okay? So before explanation, you have to
Hi,
probably,
Anusha.
yes.
Hi, good morning. Actually, I'm not an experienced person. Is it useful for me, Tosca?
Sure. Yes, Suchitra.
I'm not an experienced person, Anusha.
So do you
Tosca
have
is useful for me.
do you have any other domain experience, either non-IT or IT?
No, no.
You are completely
I'm,
fresher.
yeah.
So yes, if you're planning to jump with the testing point of view, then you have to learn the manual testing and Selenium and Tosca. Okay.
Already parallelly, I'm learning manual testing
Then this
and
will add you
Selenium also.
more value to you.
Am I doing it parallelly, right thing or not?
Then no problem. Yes, you can. This is very useful for you as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay, Anusha. Thank you.
Yeah. Tik.
Yeah, actually, ma'am, I have downloaded the Tosca from site and I have activated the license from my email ID. So shall I continue or uninstall it?
Yeah, you can continue with the same Mohat. Okay.
Okay.
Mustafa. So if you can continue with the same, but if once that is expired, then you can connect with them back. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
So team, almost as we completed all free classes. So tomorrow onwards, it's paid classes only. So who are completed payments, try to complete your installation parts, all this stuff. Who are pending with the payment activity and connect with the management and complete your process. Team. Let me check.
Ma'am, I want to ask what is the procedure for certifications? As they have mentioned, they will provide 3 certifications at the end of the course. So is that free?
Those are free certifications only. I'll guide you how to clear those certifications, okay?
Okay. At last only we will get that, or in the middle also we can apply in middle of the course.
Not a last, okay? Middle of the course.
Okay.
Middle
Okay.
of the course, I'll ask you to clear those certifications from your side. I'll give you one chance for you, okay? So if you're not able to do that, then I'll support you to clear those certifications, okay?
How many chances we will get, ma'am, to clear that?
Only 2 chances. So I'll give
Okay.
you one chance for you. So if not, then next chance I'll tell you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, team. So please do complete these activities today and tomorrow we'll start regular class day. Regular means a new concept, okay? Multi-user. We all are working in a multi-user environment, right? What are the activities we are going to do? All this stuff we'll discuss tomorrow.
Anusha, so every day the class lasts for 1 hour, right?
Everyday class is 1 hour only, okay?
Okay. So how many days will it take to complete the course?
Uh, Everyday class is 1 hour. Sometimes it goes to 1 hour 15 minutes as well. So if the doubt discussion is exceeded, And around the duration of the course is 45 days. Days means not a regular days. You can exclude the Sundays, sometimes Saturdays as well. So what are the recordings you are getting? Totally, I'll complete around 45 days. Okay.
Okay. So it might even take 60 days also, or like exactly you're
Not
not
a
going to take.
60 days, mostly 45 to 50. That's it.
Okay. Sure.
Approximately 45. If anything is there, then it goes to the 50. That's it. Not a 60 days. Okay.
Okay. So with this like classes, like are we able to do Tosca certification as well? Or like do we
Yes.
need any other?
Definitely you do a certification from your side only. Okay.
Y-
So
Yeah.
definitely you'll clear the certification by yourself. So no need to depends on any others. So I'll give you that kind of knowledge. So if you have, let us assume any ideal case you are working, you don't have time to clear those certifications. I'll support you to clear it. Okay.
Sure. And in resume, like how many years of experience can we add with this Tosca training?
So based on your, for example, Chaitanya, if you are having an experience on 5 to 6 years, okay, is you
Yeah.
around you can keep on a Tosca 3 years of experience.
Okay.
3 years of experience I have in Tosca because there is no coding, right? If you're working any kind of application, this is the procedure. There is no change in the procedure. Okay.
Yeah.
Only the application is changing. What are the experience you have? Just separate that experience around 3 to 4 years of experience on Tosca.
Okay.
We'll get a best packages in the market as well.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
I have one question.
Yes, Sharad.
No, my name is Bharat. Okay, there it has been mistakenly I think.
Okay, yes,
I'm using my brother laptop. Okay, I have my question. One question is like that. See, you told right multi, what it is?
Multi-user environment.
Multi-user environment, right? So we are working in multi-user environment. There is no security, right? What we are working, others also working, right? They can see our code, right? There is no security like that.
It's a secured only. So who are able to see your code? Our
Only
team
4
members
people.
only, right?
Yeah, correct.
Our
Only
team members only able to see our code. Okay. So almost our data is secure only. If anyone is modified your script, definitely you can recognize them. You can ask them directly also.
okay, done.
Okay.
That is my question. Yeah, okay.
That is fine. So if someone is working on one test case, we are not able to access that particular test case from our side because it is a multi-user.
Okay. Understood. Yeah.
So security wise, it's more secured. And here we are saving a number of efforts, merging of code, pushing data into repositories, and then running of all scripts together in a repository, say their GitHub, Bitbucket. So it takes a lot of time, right? So we're just saving that entire time. So while working on directly in a multi-user environment.
Okay, Anusha. One last question. Like, see, we have an Selenium project. And you can explain that migration also from Selenium to Tosca.
No, I'm not explaining a migration concepts here. Okay. I'm just giving a technical points here only. So this migration integrations, I'm not explaining as a part of this trial.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Also, are you going to explain Tosca with SAP?
Yes. Tosca with SAP.
Yeah,
SAP,
SAP.
I'll give you a completely practical sessions on that. It's not like theoretical, what is what. So I'll do the installation of SAP in our laptop. I'll give you an access, valid server access to you people. You can start working on SAP as well.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
One more question. Like, see, for example, like domain knowledge we also need, right, for SAP testing.
Yes.
Yesterday you told, right, some SAP guy you have any added if you have SAP domain knowledge, but we don't have any SAP domain knowledge, right? That will be how it will be. It will be okay, like.
So in as a part of as per Tosca with SAP concept, I'll teach you for SAP sales and distribution module. Okay.
Okay.
In SAP, number of modules are there. I'll give you a training on SAP sales and distribution module, how to create a sales orders, billing documents, all this stuff. And who are involved in each phase, I'll tell you, it's not like that 1 day session. So for SAP, I'll take around 5 days of session, okay? So you'll get a basic idea from this training session. If you have any already existing experience on SAP, you can keep that experience here.
Okay. We can keep like the resume like one SAP project and one web UI project like that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But at the time of keeping an experience on SAP project, make sure you have some basic functional knowledge on that particular SAP. Coming to the interview point of view, they'll ask you how you are doing a development in Tosca point of view. That is one case. Another technical stuff, they'll expect some knowledge and functional point of view. Because in SAP system, the functional is required. If you don't know the functional, what happened? If you are having any questions or if you're facing any issues, so again, we need to connect with the functional team and we have to ask them. So maybe they respond or may not they respond.
Okay.
So that is the reason some companies are looking for a functional knowledge as well on SAP. So instead of keeping an experience, you can say like I have good exposure on SAP systems. Still, I'm actively looking for opportunity on SAP. So what are the exposure, what are the knowledge you gain from SAP, you can explain to them. That is also fine.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, team. So please do complete the certification, installation part today, and we'll connect tomorrow same time. So Monday onwards, we do have class on 8:30 to 9:30. Okay.
Okay, Anusha.
Thank
Anusha,
you.
is there any chance like we can still move from 7:30 a.m. like that?
No,
Or is it like
already one running batch is there in the 7 o'clock. Okay.
okay?
So that is, it's not possible. The timing is 8:30 to 9:30.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
You too. Thanks. Bye bye.